Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie doke, getting our day started off here at the south end of Marion. And looky over there, a nice little young group of people out watching trains, and we're going to catch the first train of the day here southbound M653. Okie dokie, I said on yesterday's video, I really love seeing the young people out enjoying the hobby. Now this first picture here you see, this is Dalton King and Nathan White. I've had Dalton on the video before, but this is the first time I've been able to feature Nathan. And that's Nathan from over at Blue Ridge Rails. Now you seen while I was filming that video, there was a gang of them. Well, look at this picture here. This from left to right, this is Alex Betancourt, Anna Gonzalez, Lacey Freno, Dalton King, and Nathan White. Now, Lacey doesn't have a YouTube channel yet. Okie dokie, let's get back to watching some trains. Okie dokie, I've moved down to Moodytown as the other crew has moved down to Glenwood to catch this northbound M692, and then they're going to chase it. A couple people mentioned about video quality from yesterday. I'm still learning this phone, and I got to notice in the 653 that I filmed just a few minutes ago was smoky. It's because of the phone. The lens was fogging up. I've never had that problem before with anything else I've filmed with, so I will be sure to pay attention to that from now on and make sure that it's not an issue in the future. Thank you guys for pointing that out. So let's catch this northbound M692. Got her a moving this morning. Okie dokie, getting later on in the evening, but we're back over at Moody Town for the second southbound M653 of the day. Okie dokie. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Sweet.